Is this what you wanted?
Rise and shine.
Psych! That's the wrong number! These nuts. Got him! Got 100 degrees leather jacket, cause I'm super hot, boys.
Fuck off, you fat, useless sack of fucking Yankee danky doodle shite. Fuck off, will you please, yeah?
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich, Chef Ramsay.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Hello everyone, TT Techno Pro here. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the sound your laptop makes when you plug its charger in. So this will work for any macOS version, including the latest Catalina, and this will work on every Mac laptop out there. So to begin, we'll need to disable system integrity protection so we can access the system files. To do that, we'll need to shut down our laptop and boot it back up into recovery mode. To do this, you'll need to go to the Apple and shut down your laptop. Once it's shut down, you'll want to press the power button, and right after pressing the power button, press these two buttons, Command and R. So, power, Command R. You can release it once you've seen the Apple logo. Now that the Apple logo is shown up, you can release it. Once you're in, you'll need to go to the tab where it says Utilities and go to Terminal. In Terminal, what you want to type is CSRUTIL space disable, enter. Now we have disabled system integrity protection, but after we finish this tutorial, we will enable it back again. So once you've seen this message, Apple and restart. Now we can log back in. Once you've logged back into macOS, you'll want to open up the terminal once again. To do so, you just need to open up Spotlight Search, which is done by holding Command and space. Once you open up Spotlight Search, you want to type in terminal, and you'll find terminal.app pops up. Press enter, and we are at the terminal again. Here we need to type sudo space mount space -uw space / press enter. It'll ask you for your password. Now when you type your password, there's not going to be a visual representation of the characters you input, so just take note of that. I'll type in my password right now. Press enter, and you should be good to go. Now from here, you'll need to type in killall, all in one word, space finder. This will basically relaunch the finder. Alright, now that we've done that, you can close out of terminal. Now you want to open Finder and go to the tab that says Go and go to Go To folder. Here you want to type just / press Go. Go to the System folder, go to the Library folder, go to the CoreServices folder, go to the PowerChime.app it should be like pretty far down. PowerChime.app. You want to hold Control and click on it, and then go to Show Package Contents. From here, you go on to Open Contents, Open Resources, and this file right here contains the default PowerChime. This is the default that's used. So you can back it up. So to back it up, what I'd like to do is I like to copy it, and then I like to paste it onto my desktop. I want to rename it to like underscore backup as well. Alright, now that we renamed it, we can search for a chime that works for yourself. So I'll hop on Google Chrome. I'll find an MP3 file that I like. So I'll be using Where's the Lamb Sauce .mp3. I go to this site. And I'll download the MP3. Now that it's downloaded, I can close out of Chrome, and I'll drag it to my desktop. From here, what I want to do is I want to control click and do rename, and rename it to connect underscore power dots AIF. Return. Use AIF, and if you take a listen, now we've got it. So what you want to do is you want to drag it over, authenticate using an administrator password, and press replace. I'll use my Apple Watch to approve this. Alright, now it's in here. Now all we gotta do is enable it in Terminal. Now you want to open up Terminal, go back into Spotlight, and type Terminal again, open it up, and paste this command. I'll have it linked in the description as well as all the other commands that I've used. So just paste this command and press enter. Now we should be good. We can connect our charger in, and the first time it will typically play twice. So I'll plug it in. From here, we're basically done. But all we need to do now is re-enable system integrity protection. So to do that, we'll need to go back to recovery mode, and this is done by shutting down the laptop. Now, you'll want to hold Command and R with the power button. So press the power button, Command R. Wait for the Apple logo before releasing. Now you can release. From here, what you'll want to do is go to Utilities at the very top, Terminal once again, and this time we're going to type csrutil space enable. Press enter, restart, and we're all set. Now if you want to remove the power chime, you'll need to disable it within Terminal. So head back into Terminal, type this command in, press enter, and then do killall space capital P power capital C chime. Enter, and we should be good to go. So if I disconnect the charger and plug it back in, no sound pops up. There you go. That's how to disable it. That's all I have for this tutorial. Leave a like if this helped, and please consider subscribing. If there's any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Fun fact, adjusting the volume will also adjust the sound of the power chime. And if you mute it, it will still play.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Alright. And this also works even if the lid is closed.
Where's the lamb sauce?
There you go.